Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am incredibly happy and very lucky to have another unboxing for you from BeeBeeCraft. Now I will link up in the eye to my original BeeBeeCraft unboxing, but this is the second package that I've had from them and I'm very excited. So just like last time, BeeBeeCraft are a multi-craft based online store. Lots and lots of things if you are interested in craft projects, beading, jewellery making, diamond painting, resin. There is a bit of something for everybody and the prices are incredibly reasonable. So I've chosen some items, went for different things than last time obviously, so I can show you another great range of things that they sell. And so let's see what's inside. Okay, so great packaging, which is wonderful. Let's just take these out one at a time. So let's just get into this one. So this is, which one is this? I think, yes. This looks like the pendant making kit. Okay, so comes in a great storage box. And then in here, nicely wrapped and protected, we have got the tiniest little glass bottles, of which we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we've got 16 glass bottles plus the teeny tiny corks. I'm not going to take those out of their bag, and these little eye screws to go in the top. The idea being that then you can fill these with your substance of choice, whatever it is that you want, and then pop in the cork. I would suggest using a little bit of glue, and then add the eye pin in the top, and then you can wear that as a necklace hanging on a cord. For me personally, I plan to use these to make some spell bottles that can be worn, but also you could quite easily, in fact, let's just grab, these are my trash drills. Do it over there. Look how cute that looks. Pop the cork in the top, and then you could either, wear this as a piece of jewellery or pop it into a doll's house. It would make a lovely little jar of sweets for a doll's house, or something similar. Perhaps if you're doing some sort of school setting, it could be something in a chemistry lab. There are lots and lots of options for this, and I just think they're adorable. So I also think incredibly reasonably priced. This was $2.99 for this, and you could have a lot of fun. There's a lot of creative opportunities here, and just the again, I think the quality of these items is brilliant. So yeah, let me know down in the comments, what would you put in one of those little bottles if you were making something? Next item is, okay. Now, if you have seen my video on the Make It Minis, where I made this and this little drink, you might be able to see where I'm going with this idea. So in here, sorry for the crinkling, and I need, let's get a bit of a colour up here so you can see these clear things a bit easier. We have got sundae glasses, dessert glasses, wine glasses, a whole bunch of stuff, plus spoons, knives, forks. My thinking was, I really enjoyed making this, but this kit for just this was so expensive. I reckon I could probably make my own. These are, granted, obviously a little bit smaller, but in some ways that makes them better for dolls' houses and things. So yeah, my plan is to have a go at making my own little minis, potentially as cover minders, maybe some quirky earrings, something like that. These are straws to go into the glasses. These were $6.39. So there's 26 pieces altogether. So yeah, they suggest that you use them for keychains. That's another great idea. I've got some keychains that I can add in. Yeah, I think there's lots and lots that can be done with this, and I'm very excited to have a go. In fact, these aren't straws, these are chopsticks, I think. Yeah, so we've got 2 sets of chopsticks, 2 of everything, I think. So yeah, really great. Pleased with these, and excited to come up with some ideas as to how to make the little desserts and things. I'm gonna have a play around with some UV resin and maybe make some things out of clay as well. So look out for this in a future video. Let's pop these into here. Okay, next item out of the bag. So again, we've got a craft kit that comes with brilliant storage, so practical, and also makes these items really good if you want to give them as a gift. So yeah, nice firm clasp there. We've also got here some strong and stretchy bracelet elastic, very shiny label. And in here we have got a mixture of semi-precious gemstones, lava beads and charms, so that we can make some bracelets much like this bracelet that I already have, which is lava beads and semi-precious stones. The idea being then that you can add an essential oil to the lava beads, it will soak in, and then you will be able to inhale that throughout the day whenever you need it. I use this one as an anti-anxiety aid, and I've got my Witch Casket anti-anxiety oil that I use on it. So now I can go ahead and make more, which is perfect. So in here we've got some red glass beads, we've got amethyst, we've got tiger's eye, we've got rose quartz, green aventurine, and then these blue ones that might be lapis, they may just be glass, difficult to tell. And then with our charms, we've got some lotuses, pentacle, tree of life, lovely Hamza there. Lots and lots of lovely things to decorate our bracelets with, as well as the jump rings that would be needed to fix those on. And then in here, these can be used as spacers, much like on this bracelet I've got this sort of very thin ones. So we've got this sort here, and then these ones which have got little diamantes on the edge. So yeah, really, really nice. This kit was $10.19 US, They estimate you can make 6 bracelets from the contents. Obviously that depends on the size of your wrist, and whether you want to add any of your own existing beads and charms into that. But yeah, I'm very excited to try this out, try making my own, and just being able to create your own jewellery will always add an extra level of kind of magicalness to it. So that is something that I was excited to try. I need to stop saying excited. It is clearly the word of the day. Now we've got one more item, and then I've got one more big item to show you. So when I realised that they stocked resin molds, I thought I need to give those a go. So this is a set of 3. Was the most expensive thing that I ordered at $16.09. But you do get 3 molds. Get this one, which creates a crystal structure tea light holder. You get this one, which again is a pot or, you know, trinket bowl or maybe tea light holder, which is in the shape of a rose or a tulip. And then this one, which you can't really see. I will put up a picture on the screen for you. But this is a pot that is decorated with sort of floral leaves and sort of a floral design all the way around, with a fluted top. So those are our resin molds. Again, obviously I will put a video together once I have had a go at demolding the making these and demolding them, so that you can see what they are like. But certainly the quality of the silicone seems really good. The molds are not so detailed that I think there's going to be any problems. It's just, you know, how they come out and the ease of using them. Final item. And it's not really a craft item, but I could not resist it. It was one of those surprise items that you see and you think, I didn't expect them to sell that. But now I know, I want to have it. So this is a wooden sign, and I'm going to be putting this up in my craft area because it shows the wheel of the year as is celebrated by people that follow, or most people that follow, a pagan faith, and certainly all the people that follow a Wiccan faith. So yeah, we have just gone past the Festival of Lammas, and we will be in September celebrating Mabon. So this is going to hang up, and I will be able to keep track of the festivals as we go around the wheel of the year. And it's lovely that it's presented so beautifully. You can see we've got little pictures to represent each of the 8 festivals, and yeah, it was $4.29. Absolute bargain. It is, you know, it is wood that's been printed on. We've got a nice little twine to hang it up with, and yeah, I think this is beautiful, and I think that it would be a great addition to anybody's spiritual, magical workspace, or even just to hang somewhere else in your house, just to bring a little bit of the magical year into your home. So those are the, what's that, five items in total that I got from BeeBeeCraft this time around. I'm really pleased with everything. Everything came super quickly. Packaging, as you can tell, was really great, and the items themselves seem lovely. Apologies for the magpies that are chirping outside. I don't have a lot else to say at this point. I will, of course, as always, put links down in the description for this video so that you can check out these items should you wish, and of course you can make use of my discount code. I strongly recommend that you do. Do let me know down in the comments, as always, what your favourite item was that I've unboxed today, and perhaps pass this video on to a friend if you've seen something you think they'd like as well. I have really enjoyed sharing these items with you, and I cannot wait to show you them once I have completed some of the craft projects. So I'm going to leave this here. Please do consider to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and until next time, stay crafty. A huge thanks to those of you who already support me over on Patreon. I couldn't do this without you.